If you've been seeing people get free stuff from Temu, but you're still not sure if it actually works, this video will make it simple, because most people either try it randomly or follow incomplete steps and give up too early. So in this video, I'll show you how the Temu FREE Gift system actually works and the correct way to get started. Before we go further, the latest working Temu FREE Gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. How the system actually works. First, let's be clear, Temu FREE Gift is not a giveaway. It's a structured promotion system. That means you enter a campaign, you complete specific actions, you unlock rewards step by step. So it's not enter code, instantly get items. It actually works like this. Enter, activate, then participate, then unlock. Why it works for some people only. This is where most people get confused. Two users try the same method. One sees the free gift event instantly, the other sees nothing at all. This isn't random, it depends on how you enter the system. The real issue, wrong entry point. Temu tracks your entry behavior. If you open the app normally, start browsing products, you stay in regular shopping mode, and the free gift system may never trigger. Part 2. The correct way to start. Here's the method that actually works consistently. Step 1. Enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2. Activate the session. Once the page loads, follow the activation step, QR or redirect. Now your session is linked to the promotion. Step 3. Open the app. After activation, open Temu. Now you should see free gift event, reward interface, item selection screen. If not, repeat the process once. Step 4. Apply the code. Enter the free gift code shown on screen. This links your account to the active campaign. Step 5. Complete the flow. Now just follow what Temu shows you. Browsing sections, checking offers, interacting with tasks. These actions unlock progress. What you should expect. Let's keep it honest. The system does work. People are getting items. It's not instant. Not every reward is high value. Some campaigns take effort. Final takeaway. If Temu FREE Gift hasn't worked for you before, it's not always the code. It's usually the entry method. Fix that and the system starts working properly. And when you try this, comment what you see. Did the free gift event appear for you? I want to know your result.